I've been dreaming about you, wish I knew what you were up to, wish I can hit you up just to say.
Welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K. We're going to be doing another hair tutorial today. This wig was sent to me from Khair Hair. So thank you to them for sponsoring this video. I always get hair from them and I love their quality of hair. So in this box you do get goodies. You do get eyelashes, you get hairpins, you get wig caps, and then you also do get the little satin headbands I've been sending out, which they are so freaking pretty. So we're gonna go get into this unit. So this is their 99J Burgundy lace part wig. It is actually going to be a T-part lace wig, so it is 4 by 0.75 inches, so it is 4 inches worth of parting space. So as you can see, you do get the 2 combs that are going to be on the sides of the ears, and then you do get a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And it's only a T-part lace, so you do only get lace in the front and then down the middle. So as you can see, the lace is going to be like a transparent brown lace color. So all I'm doing is cutting the front with scissors, and then I'm cutting the back with the eyebrow razor, since it's just a T-part. So in the front, like along the lace line, you don't get too much lace, so you don't really have to worry about cutting the lace perfect in the front if you don't want to. But I do like to use the eyebrow razor because it does make it look more natural doing it that way. So with this unit you do get baby hairs as well, and it does fit good on the head. So I'm just taking the combs. I like to put the combs underneath my wig grip because I do usually wear wig grip with like T-part wigs. So with this unit you can go ahead and just not glue it down if you don't want to, or you can glue it down. I'm gluing it down, but yeah, that's what it looks like now. I have the baby hairs pulled back. You do have to pull those out to get the hairline to kind of look real, because it looks like it's not plucked, but the baby hairs are pulled back. So now I pulled the baby hairs out as well as a couple of pieces along the hairline, and I'm just going to go ahead and pluck at and make it look a little bit more thinner. This unit, it has tracks laying across the T-part area, so be careful in plucking, because I don't know if you could see, but if you can see like black towards my top, but that is the tracks. So there's you can pluck some hair, but it's not too much to pluck, so be careful on the plucking. And I'm, like I said, I'm gluing mine down, so I'm going to be using, I got to be glued in the yellow bottle to go ahead and lay this unit down. And I'm using my blow dryer on cool air. After I do that, I'm just gonna put me some baby hairs along the front. I kind of want them to be like a little bit wispy, a little bit natural. So I'm gonna be using my edge, what is it called? It's not edge booster, but I would recommend using edge booster. This edge control is really not all that great. It will dry down, it will leave the hair kind of crusty. So I do not recommend using that edge control at all. I love my edge booster, it's just that I don't have none in my city and I need to order some, so that's the problem. So I'm going to be putting that along the hairline, and like I said, I want wispy baby hairs, but I want them natural, but I also kind of don't want them natural. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but with curly hair I like to just have baby hair. I don't know, it just makes the wig look a little bit more put together, like uniform, pretty, natural, especially too if we have a T-part unit. So yeah. And also I'm going to be taking some got to be glued in the black bottle just to put on top of that edge control, that way those hairs do not move around. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. With this wig, on their wig site it says that the length I did get is going to be 24 inches, and it is going to be let's see, how much is this unit? $203.89. They do have zip pay on here, and it says you can make 4 payments of $54.51. So I freaking love this unit. I love the color. The color is so freaking gorgeous. And as you can see by me installing this unit, it's not too much that you're gonna have to really do. I am plucking the part because I wanted the part a little bit more open, but you can see that the part is clean. You can leave the part alone, but I want mine a little bit more open, as you can see. So that's what I'm doing right now, just opening up the part. But this unit is freaking gorgeous. The only thing is it does have a lot of shedding, but I like the color. Oh my god, the color is so freaking pretty. And then the curls, I love the curls on this unit. I am going to be applying some mousse and some olive oil, and you will see that the curls do come back. But I love, you see how frizzy it is? I just love the frizzy look. I just been into the big hair kind of frizzy kind of stuff, and I just love it. And I just love it. It's like so freaking gorgeous. Right now I'm just running my hands through it just to finger comb it, and like I said, you are gonna get some shedding with this unit. You are gonna get some shedding with this unit. So I'm gonna go in and kind of clean up my part. I am using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe, bringing that part to life. And then I'm gonna go in with the 362 Truffle, also by Maybelline, to set that part. So you see how the part just looks so freaking clean and nice. And I'm just defining those curls. Like I said, I love the poofy look, so I didn't want to like wet the hair completely, but I did want to use the gel just on the ends. But that's basically it for this unit. Like I said, this is an easy, quick unit. Like, girl, it's so freaking pretty, so freaking easy to put on, take off, put on, take off. If you want to wear it every day, you can. You know what I'm saying? So I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit. Like, girl, do you see the red hair? I was meant to be a redhead. I feel like the red just does something to me. Like, it's popping. It is so pretty. But I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit. And so thank you to Khair for sending me out this unit, because love this unit. They always have gorgeous unit hair quality, hair textures. Love it. Okay, do you hear me? I love it. So make sure to leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.